Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're continuing the build on our RV. It's almost there, but we forgot to paint the rear end, so now we're going to start working on it. Pretty much when we start, we're going to paint it, but then we noticed that it has some damage right here. It's got damage up there, so we said we're going to hold off until paint next time. So this time we're going to pretty much fiberglass the bottom. We're going to take off the decals that we don't want. We're going to clean it, scuff it, de-trim it a little bit. Also, we have a little bit of frame damage on the bottom, so we're going to try to pull that out, or we're going to try to just cut it and chop it because it looks like it's spliced in pretty easily, so we might have to just chop it. We do have the other one. It looks like the hitch is bent, so we might as well just chop it, cut it, and weld in a new one. But we got a lot of work ahead of us ourselves. Let's get straight to it. So there we have it. So these are the pieces that were bent. Now I was looking to cut it, maybe bend it back, but then I looked, it was actually bolted in. So we got 1, 2, 3 bolts holding it and 3 little tack welds. So we grinded on tack welds, unbolted it, and they came out. So hopefully on our parts one, we're gonna have both of these rails where we could just cut them, unbolt them, and we'll be good to go. Make the process a lot easier. So let's go ahead and go on the parts RV. Probably cut the whole rear section off to make it a lot easier to unbolt as one piece and bring it over here. So there we have it. We cleaned it apart, unbolted it, grinded it down, popped it out, and we can unscrew this and try to slide it in one by one, or we can just try to put it in as one big piece and hopefully be easier. So it is kind of heavy. We're gonna get in there. Also, I put some fiberglass resin on this. This is gonna dry. Well, it's already dry. And then we can sand it down, put some body filler on it, smooth it out, and be good to go with that. All right, so just like that, we got the rear trailer hitch and frame bolted in. We still got to weld it, but it's looking really good. And I test fitted the bumper. Bumper looks really good too. So next thing I want to do is start sanding the thing and getting ready for paint. So we're going to remove these stickers. We're going to scuff that, scuff everything, take off the taillights, sand where we primered, and get this thing ready for paint. Alright, so there we have it. We got the RV backed up into our makeshift paint booth for now. We got it all taped down, we got it wiped down, tack clothed, and ready to start putting the sealer down. So we're gonna put 2 coats of sealer on the back of this, then we're ready for the base coat, then the pearl and clear coat. So we got a lot of work ahead of ourselves. Let's go ahead and get it done. Alright, so just like that, we got 2 coats of sealer on it. We got 2 coats of base. It's turning out really good. We're gonna let this flash for about 10-15 minutes and we're ready to start putting down about 4 coats of pearl, and then we'll get 2 coats of clear coat on it. Let's keep working. All right, so we finished the back of the RV. The next thing I want to do is paint the little pieces. So we got the rear bumper that we got to get painted. We got this long trim and this door. So a couple little pieces. We're still waiting for the fender flares, but who knows when they're going to come in. So let's get this stuff painted and see how it turns out.
And there we go, guys, just like that. Ivan got them sealed, painted, clear coated with the pearl in it as well. So these are the final parts that we need for the RV, basically the little hidden things that trim work, you know, all the little last stuff, but the bumper looks good. A little dented right there, but honestly, not bad at all. Big old metal bumper. Nice and steel, so if you actually hit something, it'll probably do its job by protecting it. So there's a little rail that we have. Awesome. We are definitely getting to the final stages of this RV, so the last step that we need to get painted is painted, so that's nice. Awesome, rear end is done as well, so we could go ahead and let this sit for a little bit and get it installed. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure you stay tuned. We'll get this build knocked out, we'll get a new build coming. Let us know what you want to see next, but we're not there just yet. A couple more episodes probably, and we'll get this thing running on the road and go camping. Then we'll probably need to get a toy or something to pull behind it and really chill, because we've been putting in the hours getting this thing done. But hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. But like I said, leave a comment below, hit that like button, make sure you're subscribed, and we'll catch you next time.